Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do FaceTime on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your contacts application on your Android phone, and after that you can select the contact that you want to call. And for example, I'm going to do FaceTime with this contact, so I'm just going to tap on the contact and we can select the SIM card that we are going to use for the FaceTime. We just need to click on this option, then select the SIM card that you want. And for example, I'm going to select SIM 1, so just click on the SIM 1. After that, we can go back to the preview section and we can click on this video call button, and you can choose either you want to FaceTime with Google Meet or you want to FaceTime with video call, and I'm gonna go with video call. Alright guys, and that's how we can FaceTime on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.